Welcome to all of you. Today we are going to study the poem The Road of Life written by Harris Homer, and in this video we will cover the topics: first about the author, second title of the poem, third theme of the poem, fourth reading of the poem, fifth explanation of the poem, and sixth question answers of the poem. So let us start with the author of the poem. So the author of the poem is Homer E. Harris. He was born on 4th March 1916. He was a groundbreaking African American athlete who became the first black captain of Big Ten Conference team. Harris was a dermatologist. He also served as head coach of North Carolina A&T football team in 1940. He was inducted into Hockey's Hall of Fame in 2002 and had a Seattle park named after him the same year. He was died on 17th March 2007. Let us understand the title of the poem. So the title of the poem is The Road of Life, and when we walk in our in the road, what we find out? We find out that road is sometimes smooth, sometimes bumpy, and sometimes with few rough patches are there in that road. So the same is with our life also. When we grow up in our life, what we find out? We find out that a lot of sometimes disappointment are there. Sometimes it is not so easy as we think. Sometimes a lot of problems, pain are there. So what we should do with all these problems? We should never give up. And after this title is very appropriate, and after the title, the theme of the poem. So the theme of the poem is that the poet is telling us, discussing us the important lessons of the life in this poem. So after this, let us have a quick reading of this poem. So the reading of the poem is that everybody wants their life to be sunny skies and rainbows, but they fail to realize where the sun always shines, there is no water below, and they need a little rain to get the rainbow. So as you travel on the road of life, remember this: there will be times that it is rough and times that it is smooth, and sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. Everybody wants their life to be a bed of roses, but they don't realize the roses come with thorns, and they don't realize sometimes in life they have to grab the bull by the horns. Everybody wants to live on easy street, but they don't realize it takes a lot of work to build that street. So, as you travel on the road of life, remember this: there will be times that it is rough and times that it is smooth, and sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. So, these are the lines of the poem. Let us understand the poem. Everybody wants their life to be sunny skies and rainbows, but they fail to realize where the sun always shines, there is no water below, and they need a little rain to get the rainbow. So, as you travel on the road of life, remember this. So first important lesson of life, the poet is teaching us he is discussing us, telling us. First lesson is that everybody, he refers to everybody. Everybody means those who want just happiness, those kind of people who just want to see or enjoy the happiness in their life. So for them he is warning them by these lines that everybody means those kind of people who want their life to be sunny skies and rainbows, who want their life full of happiness and full of success. So they fail at the same time that life is not like this. They fail to realize where the sun always shines, there is no water below. Means if they want to enjoy the rainbow, if they want to enjoy the sunny skies, for that they have to face the rain also. Rain refers to the pain and sorrow of our life. So everybody, those kind of person who wants to enjoy the sunny skies and rainbows, they fail to realize, they should realize where sun always shines. Always shining is not sun. When sun always shine, then it will not good thing, na. So when sun always shines, there is no water below. They should remember this, and for enjoying the sunny skies and rainbow, they need a little rain. They have to face the rain means problems to get that rainbow. So as you travel on road of life, remember this lesson means if you want to success and happiness in your life, you have to prepare for the sorrow and pain also, pain of your life also. Without doing anything, you will not get. Next is, there will be times that it is rough and times that it is smooth, and sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. There is no need to explain in this line. Next, in these lines, next is, Everybody wants their life to be a bed of roses, but they don't realize the roses come with thorns. So in these two lines he says that another lesson, that everybody, those kind of people who want to be their life to be a bed of roses. Bed of roses means a comfortable life. They just want an easy life, they want just a comfortable life, but they forget at the same time that thorns are there. When we like the roses, we should not forget this, that roses comes with the thorns, and we have to face the thorns also. So for enjoying the comfortable life or an easy life, we have to realize this also, we have to face the darker side of life also. Then another lesson, and they don't realize sometimes in life they have to grab the bull by the horns. Means sometimes they have to grab, they have to pull the bull by the horns. Pull the bull by the horns means they have to directly face, they have to face that difficult situation, that dangerous situation of their life directly, with the courage, directly, as such kind of courage which we need to grab the horns of the bull. So they don't realize sometimes in their life they have to grab, they have to face directly, bravely, their problems of life. Everybody, then another lesson is that everybody wants to live on easy street. Everybody wants to live on easy street, just a comfortable easy street. Easy street means good financial status, means secured life. Everybody wants that secured life, financial good status kind of life, but they don't realize that it takes a lot of work to build that street. We need a lot to do a lot of work to build that street. That street is not easily can be available for you. You have to build that street. So as you travel on the road of life, remember this, there will be times that it is rough, times that it is smooth, and sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. These are the important lessons discussed by the poet. Now after this, let us understand the question answers of this poem. So there is one stanza has been given, and three questions are there based on the stanza is, everybody wants their life to be sunny skies and rainbow, but they fail to realize where the sun always shines there is no water below, and they need a little rain to get the rainbow. So first question is that what does the poet mean by sunny skies and rainbow? So poet means by the sunny skies rainbow means the happiness and success of the life. Sunny skies and rainbow refers to the happiness and success of our road of life, in human's life. Then who is they in the above stanza? They refers to everybody, to those who wants to enjoy the sunny skies and rainbow, means who wants to enjoy the happiness and success in their life. Then see another third question is, what does rain symbolize here? What does the poet say? They need a little rain to get the rainbow. So the rain symbolizes the dark or sad part of life. Poet says that a little rain, they have to face little rain to get the rainbow, because happiness comes after sadness. Then another stanza, second stanza is, everybody wants to live on easy street, but they don't realize it takes a lot of work to build that street. So first question is, explain the phrase that easy street. So easy street means a state of a financial comfort. Then next question is, how can one reach easy street? So one can reach easy street by doing a lot of work. Then another question, third question, explain the message of the poem. So the message of the poem is, we should do work a lot in order to find an easy street. Then another 6 questions are there. Answer the following questions. First question is that, who is the poet addressing? So answer is, poet is addressing to everybody. Everybody refers to those who wants happiness and success in their life. Then second question, what does easy street means? Easy street means, I have told you earlier also, easy street means a state of financial comfort. Then Another third question, what does the poet caution against the ever shining sun? So, poet cautions against the ever shining sun because where the sun shines, there is no water below. Then, fourth question is that what does he mean by they need a little rain to get the rainbow? So, he means that they have to face some problems also to get the happiness, to enjoy the rainbow. Then fifth question is explain grab the bull by the horns. So it means grab the bull by the horns means to face a difficult or dangerous situation directly with the courage. Then sixth question is what is the eternal truth that all must remember? So the eternal truth is that sometimes we win, sometimes we lose in our life, and we should not give up. Then next, think and answer. The some important questions from this section is that first question, what is the theme of the poem? So the theme of the poem is important lessons of the life. Then second question, what are important lessons of life the poet wishes us to learn? So the important lessons of the life the poet wishes us to learn are first, always be ready to face the problems. Don't expect happiness always. Second, do hard work to avoid any financial problem. Build your own street. Then third, don't be disappointed because sometimes we lose and sometimes we win in our life. So this is all about this poem. Thanks a lot for watching this video. If it is liked by you, please subscribe the channel and share the video. Thanks a lot once again.